Have you ever wondered how filmmakers create that dizzy, unsettling shot where the background dramatically stretches while the subject stays exactly the same size? That's called the Dolly Zoom, also known as the Vertigo Effect. And here's how you can create it inside Premiere Pro. To make a convincing dolly zoom, two movements have to work together perfectly. The camera movement, aka dolly, and the optical movement, aka zoom, must move in opposite directions at precisely synchronized speeds. So, how do you recreate that effect in post-production? I've already imported this clip where the camera is moving closer to the subject. Since the camera moves toward the subject, place your playhead on the last frame. Now we need to keep our subject the exact same size throughout the shot. On the program monitor, press Ctrl or Command R to display the ruler. Then simply drag out a few guidelines around your subject. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel. Under Motion, add keyframes for position and scale. Then move your playhead back to the first frame and increase the scale value until your subject perfectly matches those guidelines. You might have noticed that the subject now stays almost perfectly the same size, which means those position keyframes aren't actually needed. The scale keyframes alone do the job. Now let's look at another example. In this clip, the camera is moving away from the subject, and the subject's size changes throughout the shot. Because the camera is pulling back, place your playhead on the first frame and set your guidelines around the subject. This time, since the framing isn't perfectly centered, add keyframes for both position and scale. Then move to the last frame and adjust both values until the subject lines up with the guidelines again. And that's it! That's how you create the classic dolly zoom, aka Vertigo Effect, right inside Premiere Pro. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in the next tutorial.